Father, this morning I had 7 gunshots. I wake up, I come in the and I see that person light on, but I didn't know it was my son. I didn't know it was my son. Prince! Oh, your mother crying for you, Prince. Your mother crying for you, Prince. What?
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Country girl, big up yourself even though you not talk to me. I know nothing. Me not have nothing against you. But big up yourself, baby. Alright? Now, when you see that video, and this youth, him name Prince, and him live in a St. Lucia. Now, Prince get licked down in a crazy way, cause him daddy talk to him mother, and as soon as him walk out of him house and walk down the road, early in the morning, a man a wait upon him and a 7 shot them game. You see the first shot them game, a right in him head. Listen to this.
And then apparently maybe when he was going down the hill there, the person maybe was watching at him or timing him, you know, and then they shot him in his forehead. I heard he got 7 shots at the back, 1 at the back and all the rest to the front.
So from what she's saying, him get a shot either in the back of him head and it come through him forehead, and then them shoot him up in front of him. So altogether him get 7 shots and the man them angle him away. Now I have been doing some research, cause when I saw this I said, man, St. Lucia is like it's getting from bad to worse. Cause before this, 2 youth get licked down on a scooter. Alright, me not say nothing about that. But when I saw this, I had to do the research. And from doing the research, I heard that this guy, and like I said, I don't have all the details, but when I get it, I am going to update. But it seems, it's apparent that this guy here, Mr. Prince, him and a few guys went and did a robbery. I heard they robbed a white woman and killed her. Now, the police tracked the white lady's phone to Mr. Prince, and Mr. Prince went to jail and the police questioned him for like 3 to 4 hours. Mr. Prince, I heard, ended up coming out of jail, and then after he came out of jail, other man that he rolled with, I guess, to do whatever, started getting picked up by the police and getting charged. So with that said, you know the saying, snitches get stitches. But like me say, me can't confirm it. But you know he had to do something real bad. Alright, let me say this. Now, me no want knock the man cause him dead. But listen, you guys going around robbing females and robbing white people, that's a big idiot thing. And a big pussy hole thing that. And with that said, listen, anything una get, una deserve it. You understand? Men going around robbing women and killing them. Sometimes them all rape the woman them. Me not have nothing to say about them kind of blood clot man there that's going around doing these things. Now, his mother say he was a good youth. The auntie say him work. And usually, that's how people usually paint them loved one when them pass away. Only one person, one funeral one time, I saw a man went up there and spoke the truth about the man that was laying in that coffin. He said the family was upset when the man speak, but him said the man in the coffin is a son of a bitch. Him wicked. A long time him for dead. Amongst other things. And him say, I guess they're friends and the man must have screwed him over many times. And now the man dead. Him come at the funeral and said that. That was on the social media too. But usually, I say that to say this, cause usually nobody no want to paint them loved one in a effed up kind of way. But if him out there rob woman and I kill them and I rat out the rest of man them after I go rob and kill the woman, you're a pussy straight up. And like anything else, I bet you say the police them not solve that crime, yeah. Cause them don't know what's going on. So with that said, me I go and keep my eye upon that case, yeah. And follow it and see if the police them come up with nothing. And more get to the bottom of this if the youth did involved in a robbing the white woman and kill her dog. We not even know if the man them rape her, but yo, it crazy. St. LUCIANBAD, yo. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.